welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are brand new. In today's video, we reviewed a good amount, not everything, but a very good amount of the new Patrick Ta, I think it's called Major Beauty Headlines collection. We have 3 lipsticks, 3 liners, and 2 of the blush duos. Did swatches on my hand, on my lips, on my face, application, a full-on everything for you guys. If you guys are excited for this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and follow my social medias up here. I post selfies, outfit of the days, really everything, and I would love for you to join me over there. If you guys are interested in any of these products, I have links below for you guys to purchase if you guys end up wanting to after you watch the video, and let's go and get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is go into details on all the products that I personally picked up, prices, and all that fun stuff. So he has 4 duos of the blushes. He has She's That Girl, which is a soft pink, which is the one that I picked up. He also has a bronzed nude. He has Rich Plum, which is going to be perfect for deeper skin tones. And then he also has Peachy Coral. I know I definitely picked up the pink one, but I can't remember the second one that I picked up. These are $34, and one side of the pan is going to be a powder and the other is going to be a cream. I personally have always loved layering like creams and powders, so I think I'm really going to like this. And y'all know I love me some Patrick Ta. I love everything from his line, his lip liners, his lip glosses, just everything. This is also his first time ever dropping lipstick, so they are a matte suede lipstick. He has a red, neutral nude, deep wine, and also an orange red, and these do retail for $32. And then he's actually added on 4 lip liners, so he's already had lip liners beforehand, and each lip liner has a match to the lipstick. So I love when brands do that. I always love having the same exact lip liner because it gets me more precise and stuff, and his lip liners are my favorite. You guys know that. I love his lip liners, and those are going to be $26. All of this stuff is still fully in stock on the Sephora app and / website, so if you guys are interested in shopping it, use my links down below. I'll be sure to link everything for you guys to shop. Okay, so moving on to swatches. The first one is She's That Girl, and I'm really excited. Oh, so pretty. I love this packaging. It's like pretty and pink. And we're gonna lift up here. First time ever seeing this. I really love that. Oh my gosh, and he actually has a protector over the cream. I love this so much. I'm already a huge fan of the packaging because when you have powders, it goes into the creams and it's not protected, and it'll actually end up drying out the cream product. So I love that there's a little flap to protect it. So let's go ahead and swatch these shades. Ooh, it feels super nice and creamy. So there's that color. We're gonna swatch this on the hand, glide it on super well. So here's the cream version on top and the powder version on the bottom. Both swatch super well. I'm really excited to see how those are gonna layer on the face. The next duo I got is Do We Know Her? And I can't remember if this is the more coral ones. We're gonna see. They all looked really pretty online, but I knew 2 of them like wouldn't really be my cup of tea. Yep, this is the more coral one, so we're gonna swatch these. So yeah, I only ended up picking up 2, but he's got an array for all skin tones on his website. So here is the cream right here and the powder down there. Blushes normally like aren't really like typically swatched, so I can understand like why they aren't really showing up the best. I guess like on camera. In person they look fine, but yeah, blushes aren't typically something that's swatched, so I can understand the different formulation and why it might not look like as pigmented as eyeshadows do. But I do have high hopes for the performance on the face because he always knocks it out of the park. So I picked up 3 lip liners and 3 lipsticks. The only one I didn't pick up is the really deep plum shade, but I picked up every other color. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch these. I'm excited to see his lipstick formula, his lip gloss formula, amazing, his lip creme formula, amazing, and his lip liner formula, amazing. So, you know, I feel like he just can't go wrong. And I was literally just saying the other day to myself, I was like, when is Patrick Ta gonna drop something new? Because I'm waiting. Oh wow, this packaging. It's like mirrored and reflective, and it has a P at the top and a T. I'm here for it. I love that. Let's swatch this shade. This first one is Oh She's Single, and this is gonna be our neutral nude shade. Oh, that's so pretty. The component is so beautiful. You can definitely tell it's a matte shade because it's not like really shining and reflecting, but we're gonna see. His lip liners are the same. You gotta push from the bottom to get more product. I personally like that. I like how I don't have to sharpen them, so yeah. Okay, so here we have the neutral duo, the liner Oh She's Single, and then the same matching lipstick. I will say the actual like lipstick looks a little bit more pink swatched, and the lip liner looks more neutral and like cool tone nude, but I'm sure they like apply differently on the lips and like the color tone's different. Next up we have orange reds, which are called She's Not From Here. We have the liner and the lipstick. And then last up we have swatched as That's Why She's Late, which are true reds. We have the liner and the lipstick. Everything swatched super well. I'm gonna do lip swatches for you guys so you guys are able to see. So let's go ahead and move on to those. I've always loved these lip liners because they're super precise and really easy to line. It's not intimidating, and they're so like just precise. It's literally in the name. Okay guys, here's this shade. I love it. It really is that true red. There's no weird blue or orange undertone. Obviously he has a separate one for orange undertones, but I really like it. And it's not like too drying, like it's not emphasizing the lines in my lips. It's actually a red that makes my teeth look really white, which can't complain about. So I really love this shade. I feel like it's a good just true red. I mean, literally says it in the title of it. Okay, I know I kind of went out of the lines and it's not perfect. I do like this shade. I'm not sure if it's necessarily something I would typically wear all the time. I can't really see myself reaching for this shade, but it is really pretty. It's definitely an orange if you guys are looking for this color. It also still makes my teeth look super white, which again, we still love. Okay, this is definitely by far my favorite duo. This is the Xoxo Single Neutral Nude. Definitely my favorite. I'm a sucker for a nude lip duo, and this is my new baby. Like, I love it. Okay, so that's all the lip swatches. I loved everything. My least favorite was the orange. I don't know if it really looked good on my skin tone. My favorite is obviously this and the true red. Definitely amazing. Formula is amazing of the liquid, not liquid, lipsticks. They're amazing. They're super nice and soft, and they felt really good on my lips. And then also the lip liners I've been using for a while, so I obviously love those. So I 10/10 recommend the formula, the packaging, everything about them. So now we can move on to the fun part, which is going to be the blush. So I'm going to do one on each side so you guys are really able to see the full kind of depth of both of the colors that I decided to pick up. I'm going to personally go into my sponge and just kind of tap on it and apply it to my face that way. I don't have any powder on my face right now. I left my face fully natural for you guys because I don't like the way some creams perform on top of powder. So we're just gonna go in from the sponge. Oh, a lot more pigmented than I expected it to be. Whoa, I've already applied way too much. Oh, God bless me. I should have known it was going to be pigmented. It's not patching up on my face. It actually is providing a really pretty glow. And this is like just one of those blush shades that is super neutral, super natural as well. Like, it's that flush that everybody basically has on their face. So it's a good blush color to enhance your natural features. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the other one, which is called Do We Know Her? And that first one, by the way, was She's That Girl. And I'm gonna go on the other side of this, and now I'm gonna know to be careful. So let's finish the creams out. I'm just gonna go in a little. I don't wanna do too much again because I'm scared. But we're just gonna start right here and go on with it. Definitely more of a warm tone, which I actually like. I actually really kind of like this shade a little bit more, which is weird because this is closer to She's Passionate, which is my favorite blush ever. But I do love it. Oh my gosh, it's blending in so seamlessly to my skin. And like, it's not oily or greasy either. I'm actually gonna go in for a little bit more on the sponge. Patrick Ta, you never fail me, hun. So I'm gonna go into the powder of She's That Girl and just tap in here barely any because we've already got a crap ton on my face. I'm gonna tap this on top just to set it. Wow. Why do I love that so much? I definitely think I applied a little bit more than I typically do. I'm gonna go clean my brush because now it has pink on it, and I'll be right back. I'm back. Now we're gonna go into Do We Know Her? And we're gonna tap this on and see what this looks like on this cheek. Okay, yeah, I'm a fan of both of them. I feel like I definitely applied way too much, not expecting how pigmented they were both gonna be, but wow. This collection makes me feel so cute. My final review on these bad boys, they blended super well. I love his powder formula of his blushes. They're amazing, and I'm glad that now he has a cream and a powder duo. I think it's really versatile and super useful, and you can use one or the other, or you can use both to really top it off and make it last a little bit longer. I'm sure the other two shades are just as amazing, so be sure to check those out. There's one that is like more of a very neutral, like brown nude, and there's like a deep plum one, which looks so pretty, but I know on my skin tone it wouldn't work. It'd be way too dark for me, but on deeper skin tones, oh, y'all are gonna rock, and I'm kind of jealous. Patrick Ta, you killed this collection. Thank you for releasing something new. I'm really happy about it. Like, I feel so cute, and everything applied so well. Like, just seamless, beautiful, like perfection. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you loved it, like it, be sure to subscribe, click the bell, and follow my social medias up there. And also don't forget to purchase all of this stuff if you guys are interested in the description box. I will make sure I leave it linked for you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day. Smile, be happy, compliment someone. Something about them that you like. Just a random person, compliment them. It can make their day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.